Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. This is a 3-pack of belts from VONMELLI, and they're not too wide and they're not too thin. They are just right. I have them in the brown, black, and leopard print with the gold buckle. The size is large, and you get actually 7 holes on the belt, so there's lots of adjustment there. I have found these to be great for whether I'm wearing dressy pants or jeans. However I want to style them, they have not let me down. I really think that it's a fun accessory to add a belt, and definitely this width is perfect because it's not too bulky, it's just right. So if you're looking for some belts, you're gonna get 3 with this set: a classic black, a classic brown, and a really fun leopard print. Now the leopard print has a little bit of texture to it. So the brown and the black are a smooth texture, but the leopard, you can see, has a little bit of like 3-dimensional texture there. So that's a little added benefit of these. I think they're well made. I love the overall look and feel of them, and the fact that you have 7 holes there makes it nice and versatile and adjustable. 3 different belts, but countless different combinations that are gonna really add some flair to your wardrobe. And that is my point of view.